Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a clean and pack with me. I'm going to be picking up around the house and getting things done before going on a long vacation. Then I'm going to be packing. I'm going to be going to my parents' house for about 2 weeks for Christmas break. By the time you guys are seeing this, it's already 2023. So I hope everybody had a happy new year and let's get started. Let's start off with a little home update before we get into some cleaning. So we finally got our sliding door installed in our bedroom and I love it. It is really heavy duty and it has soft open and close. I love that it's tempered glass so you can't see directly into the bathroom. I was actually worried when we ordered it because I thought it would be a little bit more see-through and let in way too much light in the morning, but it's perfect. I'll show you guys what it looks like on the other side. So here it is in the bathroom looking into our bedroom, and as you can see, you can't see our bed or anything, which I love. Before, the door swung open and it kind of blocked where that towel was hanging and it got in the way of me at the sink. So basically the door was always in the way and I just love how open it is now. So one thing I have to do before I start packing is do all the laundry in the house, and I also have to fold it and put it away so that when I do start packing, I have a clear view of everything that I have. I'm just scared that I might miss out or forget something, so I just make sure I do all the laundry first and then I pack. So the good thing about going to my parents' house for Christmas break is that it's always so relaxed and chill. We don't have to pack anything fancy. We don't have any parties to go to or functions. It's always just pretty much relaxing every day, maybe going out shopping. Always really easy to pack for trips like this because it's mainly really cute lounge clothes, pajamas, a few outfits for shopping, and that's pretty much it. And also, if we forget to bring enough clothes, we can easily just wash our clothes there.
Feels like say something.
In case you guys are wondering what I'm looking up at, I'm looking at TV and I'm looking at some kind of true crime documentary or show. I'm not sure which one I was watching. 95% of the time I'm watching TV anyway at home. It's some kind of true crime documentary or show. Discovery Plus is one of my favorite apps because they have the largest true crime category. So let me know down in the comments if you're the same way. And if you have any true crime related documentaries or shows that you like to watch, let's talk about it in the comments.
Is it worth it all? Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like I've been working through this stuff, babe. Over time, lately it's been getting kind of tough, babe. Feels like
Wait up, ain't got no time for that. I've stayed up, I was hoping that you would change your ways. Wake up, you blew your final chance. Make up, I'm trying but I cannot be mad at you. I don't know how you got me weak, I should leave this together.
At at this point, we still have about a day and a half before we are leaving, so I'm still staying on top of my dishes. I actually just emptied out all of our food out of the fridge that might expire or go bad while we're gone, so that's one thing that I always do as well. And this is probably the last big chunk of dishes that I'm going to be doing, because from here on out, before we leave, we'll probably be just ordering out or going out to eat, so we don't have any leftovers in the fridge, which makes things a little bit easier.
I'm falling for you hopelessly. Hold on, I think I'm losing it. Come on, I'm telling you, I think we should slow it down. Cold out when you turn your back on me. Feels like we've reached the point of no return now. I don't know how you got me weak. I should leave this together. Your body's calling me for real. My love's like an enemy. Stay awake till the morning. I hate when you leave me. I hate when I'm lonely. Yeah, 'cause you must trust me. I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do. I'm falling for you hopelessly. Remember the things that you told me. They got me moving forward. And all of the times that we disagreed just cut my respect deeper. I'm feeling that we are something really, oh, special when I look back on us.
Okay, so let's talk about some of the things that I do before I go on a vacation or a short trip. It doesn't matter if it's 2 days or 2 weeks. These are some of the things that I always do before I leave my house, and it's pretty much just for peace of mind. We always make sure to unplug our toaster, our air fryer, or any other appliance that's plugged in. That goes for our Keurig. We have a plug-in frother that we have beside our Keurig sometimes, so we make sure all of that is clean and unplugged. I also unplug all of our scented little plugins we have around the house. I'll just take those out and put them on the counter or something. I empty the dishwasher, making sure all of our dishes are clean and put away. We always make the beds. I always clean out our refrigerator, making sure all of the leftover food and anything that might spoil while we're gone is thrown away. And we always make sure we do this before our trash truck comes, just so that all that food isn't just sitting in our big garbage can in the garage. Now that all the laundry is put away, I'm going to start packing, starting with my clothes first. Like I said earlier, it's always really easy to pack clothes when we go to my parents' house, and I always start with things that I 100% know that I want to pack, and then I just go from there.
What you hiding? What you hiding from me? What you hiding? What you hiding?
So when it comes to packing my skincare and makeup, I definitely try to be realistic when it comes to that. We are driving, so I don't have to worry about packing any travel size products, so it's just easier for me to throw in all of my everyday skincare products and all of my makeup that I use day to day, maybe one or two extra things if I feel like it, but for the most part I just throw in all of my regular things. I'm going to give you a quick little overview of my skincare that I'm throwing in my bag, and that's it.
I think I saw you with another.
I have some editing to do while we're gone, so I'm gonna pack my laptop in my little laptop sleeve. I found that off Amazon. All of my cords go into this little Stony Clover pouch. As far as my microphone, I just remove the cord and add that to the rest of my cords and chargers. I'm still loving my Stony Clover travel accessories and pouches. So I have this Stony Clover weekend bag. I'm putting in my laptop and my microphone, as well as my skincare pouch, my makeup, my hair care products, and my little pouch for cords. So when it comes to Brayden and Blake's clothes, it's always super easy packing for them because they're boys. They don't have a bunch of little matching accessories that they require. So I just take everything out, put it on the floor, and then I separate all their clothes into their own packing cubes. I always overpack when it comes to them, especially when we go to my parents' house. My parents, they live in the country. The boys love to go outside and play. They'll be on the riding lawnmower, so they get really dirty. So I always pack play clothes, and then I pack clothes that are for lounging inside, and then I pack nicer clothes and jackets and things like that. So they always have way more clothes than we do when we travel. I just showed you guys the cutest little jacket that I found at Target for them. It's a little pea coat. So right now I'm just folding all of their clothes, putting them into their own packing cubes, and then I'm just going to put all of the packing cubes in their suitcase.
Where have you been? It's like I waited all my life, so happy that I found you. I'm paper thin. I haven't always been this shy, but haven't felt this in a while now. So sad when we are apart. If you leave, you break my heart. I need you to need me too. Stay with me when it's getting dark. Hold me tight, close in your arms. I want you to want me too. Why is it so hard to just be honest? Why is it so hard to speak the truth?
I've talked about packing cubes millions of times on my channel. I love using these because not only do they keep your suitcase organized, but it's all about like getting to where you're going and staying organized. So when you get to your hotel or wherever you're going, all you have to do is take out your packing cubes, put them in the dresser or on top of the dresser or a table, and you're still organized. You don't have to fully unpack your clothes, and you also don't have to live out of your suitcase. It keeps everything contained and organized and separated. I will have some link down below in case you guys are interested in trying these out. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Haven't felt this in a while.